Hi, I'm Gavyn Taylor, and welcome back to another episode of Normal People Try Beauty Guru Makeup Tutorials. I'll be your host as we delve deep into the realms of the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe Beauty Makeup Palette. I can't even say it right. The palette, y'all know, we just did this video and you guys really enjoyed it. So I decided to change up my setup a little bit, got my camera all hooked up. I think I'm gonna do this every Monday. So we'll do something like Makeup Monday or something like that. If you wanna see something like that, make this a series, go ahead and put a lipstick emoji down in the comments below so I know you specifically want to see a Makeup Monday where I tackle some sort of beauty tutorial. As you know, I'm gonna be looking over here at this mirror. Hey, can we just take a minute? Can we talk? Can we talk for a minute? This is a fresh wash and blowout that I just did. It took me 12 hours, you know, because I had to sit up under the dryer. I mean, it was worth it, you know, because, I mean,
Okay.
I'm probably going to be looking over here because this is where I have my laptop so that I can watch the videos. All right, let's get started. Yes! Look at this glow, sis. This glow. This glow.
I posted these photos yesterday, and
yes, this face is big.
Yes, queen. Tutorial.
This face. We gotta go back. Hold on. I need to go back and pause. We're gonna go. Look.
How dare you?
Like, she even got an eye. And she looks bomb. She don't even have makeup on and she... Bomb. It ain't fair. That ain't even right to look that good.
So if you guys want to see me do a little toot.
That's cute.
Review on the palette.
You guys, I'm gonna try really hard to do my best. I'm already failing. I'm starting with the dirty brush. Dirty brush. I did see which color you grabbed. Not so much product. I'm wondering if it's gonna show differently on me than it does on, I mean, clearly it's gonna show differently, but the pigment, whether it's gonna be, look at me trying to talk about something like I know what I'm talking about.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
Okay.
I really like. Next, we're going to take, this shade right here.
Okay, that's the shade right under. See, she didn't use the words. And actually, now that I think about it, I think we just used pukey. It looks like she's just doing it right here.
Definitely one of my favorites in the palette. I used it yesterday.
Oh, hell.
And I find that every single time I pick up
blend.
the palette, this is one
I think this brush is too dirty to blend, y'all.
We want to be more like a kind of thing going on, so I kind of wanted to.
What's up with y'all in these sounds? Rah. How is her shadow? I need to pause. Her shadow already has the, it's on the angle like the cat. I feel like there were lies and deceit. There's like some tape, something. How, like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead. See that? See, I'm gonna, All right, Alissa.
Honestly, like, this is like a fall look. I don't even care. I'm just gonna pack this right here.
That's cute.
It's plus. And I'm gonna dip into that like cranberry type shade that I put on the outer part. And I'm gonna.
I could do that. I have a little.
And pack it on my lid.
I have one of those, Alissa.
And then.
Wait, hold on. Slow down.
Yellow.
Wait.
Dip into the yellow. I'm gonna spray my Fix Plus. And pop this right here.
Wait, I'm not ready.
She wasn't ready.
And then she put yellow. Okay, she put yellow, so we're caught up now.
Alrighty, so I went ahead and put some lashes on off camera because
I don't even see the yellow on my face.
It's been weak.
And then she put lashes on. She did it off camera, which is cute because I'm gonna put put mine off camera too. Can you see the yellow? I'm back. I see what happened. She used this hard brush again on the yellow and really like, she really picked it up. I don't know if you can see that, but she like, come on, focus. Do like how the beauty gurus camera. It's not. I don't know how they do it, but this isn't fair. Okay, so she packed on the yellow. There we go. Now I see. I got you, Alissa. I see what you're doing. I'm following. I see it. The yellow. Well, let's get back to the tutorial, shall we? Oh, she's got like a small, I don't have that kind of brush, girl.
Help me!
Okay, we'll just, you know what, I'll try this.
And then I go ahead and take
Wait,
this shade
I
right
gotta pause
here.
because she was going real fast, but that looks so cool. I like the colors. Every time! Is this the look, y'all? Is this the look?
No.
Gently now. We learned from the last time. I really want mine to do this. So I'm gonna like do this. Let's see. Yes, Gavyn. You know what to do? You guys, I'm learning.
You cannot throw away something that is special, something that is amazing.
What I did was I just put on a little bit of highlight. I used the Becca Cosmetics Color Pop. I'm gonna gently show you what this looks like because I drop things. Oh my God, did I just do what I think I did? You guys! I used the Becca Cosmetics highlighter, which is now all over my floor, on my face for my highlight. I used this lip pencil crayon thing. I have no idea who it's by or where I found it, but I'll figure it out and I'll put it down in the description box below. I did not put any eyeliner on because she didn't, but I did put mascara on my eyes. I'm using this, who is this by? I don't know. Somebody from the drugstore that I got. It's called Mega Length. It's probably like, oh, it's Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild. Okay, so then I finished up with a setting powder. All of these beauty guru, makeup tutorialist.
Makeup tutorialist.
What? Use some sort of setting spray. I'm assuming there's a difference clearly. I've been using setting powder because this is what I have in my makeup bag. I may bite the bullet and go ahead and purchase some setting spray. All of the information for everything I'm using, from my makeup brushes that I got from Sephora to the palette itself, my anything is going to be linked down in the description box below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Please let me know if you want to see more Makeup Mondays, because I don't want to waste your time and I'm not going to waste my time. So if you guys really like these, go ahead and show it with a thumbs up. Leave it in the comment section so that I know to either keep creating these or let it go and try something new. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend and have a super dope week. This is actually kind of cute, right? Like, this is real cute, you know? And you should keep it cute too. Hey girl, maybe I'll go out. Let me call somebody. Who wanna go out tonight? Oh, me? No, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just, you know, I do what I can. Oh, this is like an everyday look. You know, I just, 5 minutes and I'm out. Real quick and cute, you know? Like you. I'm stopping. Pray for me, y'all. Just pray really hard.